Hi everyone, my name is Erin Mancini and I'm so excited to have your Student in 2 Algebra honors this year. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this as you're getting a little taste of what students are experiencing this year. So you might be wondering who's teaching your student. I won't read through all of this, but a little bit about me. I'm also from the Chicago suburbs, Palatine, Illinois. Go Pirates. This is my 7th year teaching at ETHS, my 8th year overall because I did 1 year at Warren Township in Gurnee. I'm a proud University of Illinois alumni, go Illini, and I'm currently living in Chicago with my fiance, hopefully getting married in December. What math will students be learning? Overall, this is a functions-based class. So we go through all of the different functions. Now, through that, we learn a lot of algebraic manipulation. It's really a skill-building class for pre-calculus or calculus. But within that, we go through patterns, abstraction, and real-world context for these functions. Okay, things to know. I could not possibly go through all of this on these short slides, but I highly encourage you to look through my course expectations for more information. Some highlights include students do need a graphing calculator, and they will use it for all their math classes. I even still use mine from high school. They will also need a math notebook specifically for math, as I'll be asking students to submit a lot of handwritten work. There's an online textbook, which is very interactive, great for e-learning. It allows me to assign problems and give students retakes and feedback and resources to help them with the problems. I've asked students to be resourceful and advocate for themselves, emailing me a lot. And in return, my grading procedures and different class structures this year have been adjusted to give some grace during a difficult learning time. Again, for more info on that, definitely look at my course expectations and you can see those adjustments and policies outlined here. Okay. Otherwise, life skills are the goal. So whatever math we get through, not as important as learning how to work in teams, communicate, problem solve, look at patterns, and those skills are transferable to any place students may go in the future. No matter whether we're e-learning or in person, that's still true. How can students get help? I'm sure everybody's wondering this. And the good news is ETHS has done such a good job to make sure this year really mirrors what we would do in person. So AIM support still exists. Appointments with your teacher still exist, just on office hours, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays by appointment, so email. There's a virtual math study center. Students can ask me for more info on that. Wildcat Academy as well. There are tutoring opportunities, paid and unpaid, if you're interested. Otherwise, we're in the world of virtual learning, and there are so many resources on the internet that I encourage students to seek out. What's next? So typically pre-calculus or pre-calculus honors for year 3 of math. You can view the whole ETHS math course sequence here that's screenshotted below. Okay, it looks something like this. If you have further questions on it, feel free to ask me, but the following year after pre-calculus would be either AP Calculus, maybe some statistics or computer science. We also have a STEAM design thinking and innovation class, which is one of the benefits of going to such a large school. There's so many opportunities for students based on what they're interested in or what they might do in the future. Okay. If you have any questions about any of this, please contact me at any time. Here's my email and my phone number. Students are also signed up for Remind Text, so they can, text me anonymously and vice versa. And I communicate often through Google Classroom. But this was a very short introduction. Just wanted to introduce myself, give you a chance to hear my voice perhaps, and just let the open communication flow. So again, if you have any questions at all, never hesitate to reach out, as we're all here figuring this out together and trying to support one another to make your student as successful as possible. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to the rest of the year.